2019. Principles of accounts. Past question number 15. A receipt is an evidence of payments. When you make full payment for goods, purchase, you get a receipt. Stocking is purchasing more products into your business venture or enterprise. Delivery, when a delivery is done, you get what is called delivery notes. So it has something to do with receipts. Discount, we have two types of discount. We have a discount received and a discount allowed. So a discount received is gotten when you are buying goods. When buying goods, you get discounts received. When selling goods, you allow a discount. So option A, payment, is the right option. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.